Hi guys, in this video we are going to install the Snap Store for Raspberry Pi. Snap Store is a store where you can directly download and install the applications and games to your Raspberry Pi. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Before we install the Snap Store, first, we should install the snap package. For that, type sudo apt-get install snapd in your terminal. I have already installed the snap package on my Raspberry Pi. Next, type sudo snap install snap store. I have already installed the Snap Store too. Now take the run and type Snap Store and click OK. First of all, you can see two sections, all and installed. In installed, you can find the installed packages. To remove any of the packages installed on your Raspberry Pi, please click on the remove and type your password. You can see 6 sections in the Snap Store: games, finance, productivity, utilities, news and weather, and science. Here you can see the editor's pick, which is recommended by the Snap Store for Raspberry Pi. If you want to search any of the applications or games present in the Snap Store, you can find a search icon at the top left corner and click on it to search. I am now going to install the game Mario for an example. After clicking the Mario game from the search results, you will directly go to the installation page. Below you can find the details regarding to the game, such as download size, source, developer, etc. On clicking the permission button, you can see the permissions which is allowed. If you want to run the packages that you have installed from the Snap Store, you should directly go to the run and type the package name. If you want to remove the packages that you have installed from the Snap Store, please click on the button Remove and type the password. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.